Hey guys, Chef Edwin here. We are back with Compare Food with our monthly recipe challenge. For this month, we got one of my favorite ingredients to cook with, which is Aji Amarillo paste. Aji Amarillo can be found in many options. One of them are, you can find a whole pepper in a jar, you can find it in a paste, which is ready to use, and add it to any of the dishes that you want to make. Soup, ceviche, stews, you name it. Or you can find it on a powdered version, which is really good for baking. You can put it on a pork. It's amazing for color and flavor as well. This all can be found at any Compare Food location and international island. Alright guys, so let's start making some food. I'm gonna be making huancaína sauce. But remember, this is your challenge and you will be making your own recipe using our amarillo paste. Now guys, remember, in order for you to win this month's recipe challenge, you need to be creative using Aji Amarillo paste. Remember to share at least one picture of your final product on Instagram, tag Compare Food and Edwin's Organics. The prize will be $50 and the winner will be announced on April the 26th. I've created some ceviche and some huancaína. Show me what you have to create. Good luck.